Hi students, welcome to Python Programming Lab course. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So this is the first class regarding Python programming. So before going into solving the programs, first we learn some fundamental concepts in Python. So normally you take any programming language. So first we are going to learn how to read and how to print. That means how to read the input from the user and how to present the output onto the monitor. So in this class we are going to learn about the Python output function print. Okay, overview of the presentation. In this presentation we see how to print a message in Python using Python function, and we see some examples using print function. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture, you all are understand the purpose and usage of the printf function in Python and write Python programs to display text and numbers on the screen. Use print to output multiple values in a single line. Combine text and numerical values in output and apply escape characters like /n, /t, / etc. for formatting output. In C language, there is a function called printf. What is the purpose of printf here? So printf is a function which is used to display a message onto monitor. So now in Python, so Python is very easy to learn when comparing to other languages. In Python, so how we print the output means just simply use print function. Remember, so in Python many functions names as English only. Okay, in Python we use print function to display text or results on the screen. So for example, my name is Varada Rajkumar. How I print this data onto the monitor? Simply use print function. Print. In this print, I am going to write my name in double quotation. That's it. Okay. So now we are going to see some examples related to this print function. So example 1 is printing a simple message. Example 2, printing multiple lines. Example 3, printing a single line with multiple values. Example 4, printing numbers and text together. Example 5, using escape characters. So let us see one by one. Printing a simple message. Every programming language journey starts with a program hello world. So in this course also we will start like that. So first we are going to write a program to print hello world. So what is the function we are going to use to print any message onto the monitor? We are going to use print function. Okay, now here I want to print a message hello world. So write this hello world in double quotation. For example, I want to print a message hi. How I write? Print hi. That's it. Okay. Let us see another program. So printing multiple lines. Now here I want to write a program to print name, branch and college name. Okay. So now I write print. The print function will print this message onto the monitor. Now what is the output here? Print K Varada Rajkumar. This line is executed. Then control moves to next line. Here again print CSE AIML. Next line it prints MLR Institute of Technology. So printing a single line with multiple values. That means here in this case I want to print same like previous program, but I use only one print statement. So how means print, I write first output message, then I use comma here, comma. So after this I wrote branch name here, again I use comma here. So this is the last message. Now, so coming to output, it prints K Varada Rajkumar, CSC AIML and MLR Institute of Technology in only single line. Okay. So next, so printing numbers and text together. So for example here, 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now here, I want to print numbers and text together. How? So same, print addition of 2 plus 3 is, here I am giving the 2 plus 3 here. Now 2 plus 3 equals to 5. It prints addition of 2 plus 3 is 5. That's it. Use escape characters. So here in this example, I am going to show how to use escape characters. So here I am writing, here I want to print my name and branch name and college name in a single line. Now I want to display this as a name in first line, department in second line, college name in third line. Then I am going to use /n here, /n. So /n means new line, new line. Now I want to give tab space between these outputs. Then I am going to use /t. So how it prints? It prints name, then give one tab space, then again it prints department name and prints one tab space, then it prints college name. Okay. So now in last print instruction, I want to print double quotation. So normally how we represent the strings means by using the double quotation. So if I want to print the double quotation in output, then I am going to use /double quotation. Okay. So let us see execution of these programs. So this is the first program to print hello world. Now if you observe here, I write, here I use print function, then I wrote message. Now we execute this program. Now if you observe, the output is hello world. For example, I want to print hi, then change this to hi. Save the program, run. Hi. Okay. So let us see second program. Here I want to print multiple lines. Okay. Let us execute the program. If you observe here, so first print statement output is, so first print statement output is K Varada Rajkumar. What you mentioned in this print, that is display on monitor. So this is the second print, CSC AIML, CSC AIML. Printf MLR Institute of Technology. Here this is the output, MLR Institute of Technology. So this is the third program. The purpose of this program is same like previous program, but I want to print all the messages in a single line. That means the multiple outputs I am going to print using a single print function by using commas. So this is the execution. If you observe here, the same data K Varada Rajkumar, that is a name, then I use comma here. So one space, then CSC AIML, yes, CSC AIML, I used comma here. So one space, then this is the college name. Okay. So fourth program regarding print numbers and text together. Now here addition of 2 plus 3 is text and 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is a number. Now we execute this program. Now if you observe here, so here this is the text. Addition of 2 plus 3 is same. Addition of 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 equals to 5. That is number. Okay. So fifth program related to using escape characters. Escape characters. Now escape characters means slash and slash t. Okay, here I write, here I am printing a message that in displayed in one line. In next print statement I use slash n. Slash n means it prints this message, then cursor moves to next line, then it prints second message. Here there is another slash n. So cursor moves to next line and it prints the college name here. In third print statement slash t, that means in between the outputs we will give one tab space. In last print statement we are using slash double quotation. So for example I want to print CSE AIML in double quotation. How we print means double quotation, then use escape character slash, use double quotation, then write the message CSE AIML, again use slash, double quotation and double quotation. So this is the message we are going to print on monitor. So this slash is escaping here. Only double quotation we will print on the monitor. Okay. So coming to summary of this session. In this session we will learn about printf function. The purpose of the printf function is used to display text and numbers on the screen. So different ways to print output in Python is, we print one simple message like hello world, and we print multiple lines, print multiple values using one print function and combining text and numbers in output, and we learn about how to use escape characters in Python. So this is about print function. Next class we will learn about input function. Thank you.